What is up, YouTube? So today we're going to a drift event actually in Mexico. I know it sounds a little weird because we always say we're in Mexico. This time we're actually crossing the border and we're going to Mexico. So stay tuned. I don't know exactly what it's gonna be. I just know it's an actual organized drift event. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. I'm just now getting my homie Chris's pad. We're actually gonna be testing out the 370 angle kit. So we'll see how this goes. One more thing to mention, it's not just gonna be the 370Z we're gonna be taking. We're also gonna be taking a 350Z. For those OG subscribers, the 350Z that's coming with us is a 350Z that we got to ride along at the track, like maybe a video back or two. This should be a good day. Again, we're going to be testing out those WiseFab kits, so we might run into some binding, some sort of issues, but we have tools. I'm driving a tool truck with us, and we're not trailering the cars. We're actually like driving across the border, so this should be a good day. I'm not going to bore you guys too much. If you guys can do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe, drop a comment, and tell me what you guys think about this Mexico content. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you then. Some last minute prep real quick. This fool's over here destroying his freaking side skirts, getting out of his house. Vámonos. So this actually used to be Chris's old car. Just be fun. Alright, so we are currently crossing, and I'm with the camera down just in case I think we're gonna get inspected real quick. Damn, we got some sirens way off in the distance, so I hope they're not coming after us. Ah, shit, I think they might be. Yeah, Mexico is not the place to be driving, especially in a lowered car. Alright, if that cop turns in here, oh, he just passed by. Alright, we're good. Cops down here will smuggle you some money just to let you go. It's some gnarly shit. If you know, you know. Bro, I can't be the only one that's getting the Fast and the Furious vibes right here. That sandwich shop. We got the tacuache, 350, 370. The Mexican, the paisa version of Fast and the Furious out here. Alright, we finally got here. This one looks so badass. They actually filled in the rear windows, but we out here. Alright, we're gonna make a quick little lap and see all the cars before everything starts going crazy. We got a few more Z's, some S13s. This is actually pretty sick. Oh, it's boosted. Damn, I didn't get the memo. Adam LZ was gonna bring the cream 240.
Look, the whole rack is moving. The rack is moving like up and down. TJ Hunt's fine. You'll be fine.
Damn, Eddie about to have a bunch of dog food flying all over the place. Or is that rat poop?
He still hasn't cleaned it up.
I don't know what that.
Dog food. He's been there since he was crazy.
Alright, we're doing a little prep. Should be starting in like a few minutes, but in your guys' time, it'll be like a few seconds. I'll bring the camera out once we start drifting. It's a big roundabout back there, I'm pretty sure, so should be pretty sick. This is so badass. There's no way he doesn't get shit for this police trip. That's rad. So I thought that was all the cars right there, but apparently there's more on that side. So I'm just now finding out this thing's got a turboed LS. I think it's a 5.3. This is fucking gnarly. Mexico gets down, dude. Looks like the drifting has begun. fool gets down. Whose fucking dog got out?
You won't see that shit in 905.
Yeah, never. Hey, the tires smell different out here. This fool's killing it. Alright, so they actually have a thing where you pay a few bucks. Since we're in Mexico, it's only $2, but you can actually get a ride along in that 86. And I'm probably gonna do 2 separate rounds. I mean, why not? It's an 86. It's not every day you get a drift inside an 86. But cars are handling. That fool gets down. But cars are chilling right now. We're waiting in line for another round. I'm not gonna lie, this line takes a fat minute, but we'll probably make a quick little walk around to see what other cars are here now. This fool has his phone plugged in for a dash. That's so funny. Damn, I'm just realizing this guy has an RV over here. That's nuts. I ain't gonna lie, this fool gets down too. This is probably one of my favorite cars here. That wooden steering wheel is my dude out here drifting a turboed V8. This thing is freaking gnarly. This fool gets down too. Alright, so we're about to get a ride along in a little bit. I think we're gonna choose this car because this guy doesn't have bars, let's be honest. Give you guys a quick little tour from the inside. was just talking to the owner for this car. Apparently both of these are his, and he's got like another 15 of these at the house. That's gnarly. Who knows, maybe one day we'll convince him to sell me one of these because the states are taxing too hard on these right now. Alright, so for those that didn't get the hint, it's actually tandems only now. So, and these two are up. This is gonna be a good one right here. Little 350Z battle going on. This Mustang just told that S14 to get on his door. They're probably gonna run in a three-way train again, actually. Alright, so it looks like they finished up their tires, so they should be pulling up right now. We'll see. These motherfuckers got down today. That WiseFab angle kit got put to work. Sick asshole. You put that angle kit to work. I got a few shots of it fully locked. At least it looked like it was fully locked. Are they having another event in like 2 weeks or some shit?
You're saying like a month.
Are you guys gonna be coming back?
Yeah. Because it's
Let me know.
gonna be a different spot.
Alright, for sure. Let me know. I'm definitely down to come back. Oh, so that's what this S13 had. These 1UZs seem to be pretty common out here in Mexico, but with this V8. This is the dude with the turboed LS, or sorry, turboed V8. I'm just not realizing this is not a turbo, this is a supercharger. Alright, looks like the event's over. We're about to go get some food. Probably spend some time out here since we're already here. Alright, well thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.